Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into concept. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Abstraction, which means something which exists only as an idea. Abstraction. For example, the question can no longer be treated as an academic abstraction. Number 2. Notion, which means a conception of or belief about something. Notion. For example, Claire had no notion of what he meant. Number 3. Idea, which means a mental impression. Idea. For example, the idea of death scares her. Number 4. Image, which means a mental representation or idea. Image. For example, I had a sudden image of Sal bringing me breakfast in bed. Number 5. View, which means an attitude or opinion. View. For example, strong political views. Number 6. Picture, which means an impression of something formed from a description. Picture. For example, a full picture of the disaster had not yet emerged. Number 7. Conception, which means an abstract idea. Conception. For example, his conception of democracy. Number 8. Hypothesis, which means a supposition or proposed explanation made on the basis of limited evidence as a starting point for further investigation. Hypothesis. For example, his steady-state hypothesis of the origin of the universe. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.